The 2011 Chrysler Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with the Towing Prep Package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, power steering, automatic transmission, front air conditioning, keyless entry, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, front wheel drive. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.